Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the possibility of two events happening at the same time under the special theory of relativity. So let's dive in. The equation we are going to be using is given as the Lorentz transformation equation, and we have it in this form where our beta is given as 1 all over the square root of 1 minus v squared all over c squared. Our v squared here is the speed of the moving frame of reference or the vehicle moving at a constant speed. So this is a Lorentz transformation equation. It connects the measurement done by two events in a moving frame of reference and a stationary frame of reference. This Lorentz transformation equation is the equation used by Albert Einstein to predict so many stuff, right? So what we want to look at now is the condition for two events to occur at the same time. So the condition is given as x1 is not equal to x2 and t1 is equal to t2. What this means is that the two events must not be at the same place. So x1 can never be equal to x2. But the time taken for event 1 to occur and the time taken for event 2 to occur should be equal. The same thing also applies to when we are in a moving frame of reference. For this one is a stationary frame of reference, while this one is a moving frame of reference. Okay, so for a moving frame of reference, we have the time t2 is given by this. Deriving it from this equation. Then for t1, we have this. This t2 is the time for event 2, while t1 is the time for event 1. So if we find the difference between the time between event 2 and event 1, we have this expression, right? So if we expound, we have this form: beta times t2 minus beta times t1 minus this plus this part. So if we simplify by factorizing from both sides, we have this expression: beta t2 minus t1 minus beta v all over c squared x2 minus x1. So at this point, we can see that t1 is equal to t2, which is the condition for two events to occur at the same time. So we expect that this one will lead to 0. But our x1 is not equal to x2. x2 is not equal to x1, so this one will stay. So we have t2 minus t1 primes equal to minus beta this. So since x2 minus x1 is not equal to 0, that means the measurements by event 2 minus the measurements, the time at event 1 is not equal to 0. So we can now conclude that t2 prime minus t1 prime is not equal to 0, telling us that two events cannot happen at the same time under the special theory of relativity. I hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.